Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class we will be learn about may versus might. It means how the may and might is used. Okay, let's get started. May versus might, it is the main topics of the modal verb, that is the auxiliary verb also called. In the case of the modal verb, we know the 8 modal verbs are here. But today we will be learn about the two main modal verbs, that is the may versus and might. May versus might, because may and might is the most common and usual uses in our daily basis. So we have to know what is the uses and how in which cases we will be use may and might. Differentiate with each other we will be learn today. Okay, let's start. As there is a thunderstorm, it may rain today. As there is a thunderstorm, it might rain today. It is the two sentence. We can generally use may in our daily basis, but may and might are the similar to each other. So which cases may and might is used? In these examples, I said as there is a thunderstorm, it may rain today. And secondly, I said as there is a thunderstorm, it might rain today. These are the two main examples, but you know that may is used or might is used. Don't worry, at the end of the lesson, I will learn you that is which cases what will be used. The answer you will be get today. Okay, let's start. The modal verbs may and might are mainly used in two ways, possibility and permission. Possibility and permission are the way of the uses of may and might. It can use the possibility and permission. These two cases, may is used and also might is used. So we first discuss about possibility and how the may and might will be used. I divided these two sentences so it can easily understandable. Okay, may, more likely possible. If 70 to 90% chance of possibility, then may is used. I just take this percentage, it is not mentionable, but I want you have to understand easily, so I add that percentage. It is nothing at all actually. More likely possible, if 70 to 90% chance of possibility, then may is used. That is example, Jack may be coming to see us tomorrow. But in case of might, less likely possibility, if the 30 to 40% chance of possibility, then might is used. In this case, if 70 to 90% chance of possibility, then may is used. But 30 to 40% chance of possibility is here, then might is used. It meaning that is, if more possibility is here, then that case may is used. If less possibility is here, that case might is used. So it is the example, this we might a stop along the way. In this case, the might a stop is the not a 100% chance of possibility. It is the less chance of possibility. So might is used. Then again take all one examples of may, then we can easily understandable. So as she could not sleep yesterday, she may be tired today. It is the 100% chance, like she could not sleep yesterday night, so she is very tired. It is the possibility is nothing, actually it is happening, so it is in this case may is used. But the woman looks as if she might be here late 40 seconds. It is the uses might. It is the examples of might, that is may and might are both similar words, but when the chance of possibility is more, may is used. If the chance of possibility is less, then might is used. It is the common things at all. Then might is the past form of the may. Like example, like I thought I might to go to the gym. Might is the past form of the may. It is the same word, but it is the past form of the may. So let's discuss about the second chance of the uses, that is the permission. Permission is the second chance of the use of may and might. Again I divided two parts, then we can understand easily. More formal and more polite. If more formal and more polite, in the case of the more formal and more polite, may is used. Like may I go to the restroom. Again our example, that is may I borrow the car tomorrow. It is the examples of permission, but it is a more formal and more polite. So may is used. But in case of might, more casual and less polite. It meaning casually, if we talk about our friend, in our elders, so we can use about might. But in case of the formal, like more polite, like teacher, father, or parents, we talk about this. So may is used. That is the might I ask for a favor. Or one example, that is, might I ask when the movie starts? It is a formal, not any importance thing. So in case of casual and less polite, we use might, and in case of more polite and more formal, then we use may. Or in the case of the permission, also we can use about, that is, may is other way. The may is used in express of wishes, like may you live long, may you success attend you. In this case, we wishes anyone like this. In case of the wishes, we can use about may. So may is the best use of the in case of wish. So it is all about that may and might. What we were learned today, let's quickly revise it. First we was learning what is the modal verb, that is the may and might is the main and important modal verb at all. So in case of the possibility and permission, may is used. Firstly, the possibility, in case of possibility, if the chances is more, then may is used. If the chances is less, then might is used. In case of the permission, if it will be more casual and less polite, then we use might. In the more formal and more polite, may is used. It is the differentiation about may and might. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, please again to check this video, then you will be understand easily. Okay, if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and if you don't have any video before, so please check those videos, that will be benefit you and also revise you. Thanks for watching.